Video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover something called a lick mat, and this is for a dog or a cat, and I had just got this in, and I'm going to open it up and kind of show you exactly what you get with this. So let me go ahead and take it out of the package. It looks like it came in this little, what is that, saran wrap? Just peel it back right there like that. So, and it's actually got little suction cups, so we won't need that anymore. And here's, wow, look at that, it's like an octopus. Look how that thing just stuck down to the floor. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, there's a little bit of literature here with it that kind of like shows all the benefits of using one of these things. So you know what? We won't need that because there's really not much to this. I'm just going to show y'all exactly what it is. This is a lick mat for like a pet. There's a lot of pets, they like to just like lick on things. Well, I got a dog and a cat, and I like to give them like some peanut butter, a little bit of like whip here and there, just to kind of like make them happy. And what I like about this is you can stick it down to like the floor like this, because I got a dog that likes to pick things up and carry it off. So let me go ahead and put a little dairy whip in there, and you know what, some Peter Pan peanut butter, some in there, and I'm gonna put some in there and a little bit there, and I'm gonna see, then I'll get them both over here and let's see what they do. So let's try that now. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, let's put a little whipped cream in there. Let's get it down in there real good. Well, look, he heard it. See, Maximo, you already heard it, and you started coming running. Now, second thing we're going to do is get a little peanut butter. A little spoonful of peanut butter. Let's rub that in there. They hear it. Remo, looky who showed up. Remo's here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. So he knows that Remo doesn't like people getting around him. So let's take him back a little bit. Look at him going there. Don't worry, Remo, you get to come back. See, and because they can't lick it up good, it gives them more of a surface to kind of work with, and it just kind of like occupies their mind space a little more. This is really cool. I actually like this thing. This is actually something very interesting. I've never seen anything like this. See, normally he'd already have all that up, but this is, now he's taking his time on it. You don't want the peanut butter? Remo, come back. All right, here comes Big Head. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the pet licking board, licking mat. See y'all in the next video.